I think Kariba we should discuss about our next topic, that is amazing plants and species.
Yes, as we all know how diverse and fascinating our planet's plant life is. From carnivorous plant to elegant, singly colorful tree, nature constantly surprises us with its creativity.
We hope today's exploration of these amazing plants and species has injured up to appreciate the wonders of our natural world.
हरियाली से सजीव पौधों का है संसार, वन्यजनों का आश्रय बनाते हैं ये साकार. So let's welcome our little champ Athar and Shagun for further anchoring.
Earth is a home of a lot of amazing animals and plants. Mother Nature is so powerful that fruit and design no one can copy. Yes, प्रकृति अनगिनत अद्भुत वनस्पति और जीव जंतु का रचयिता जिसकी हर रचना में स्तब्ध कराती है. It's time to explore the world for amazing plant and creatures. Good morning to all my elder. I am Manya of class 1. I am going to tell you about giant Pacific octopus. It had 9 grains, 3 ears. Blue blood, can you laugh? 3 ears. Only one octopus. It is really well. They are highly intelligent animals. They can land upon jars, soil labs, and do let you off. Thank you. Good morning everyone, this is class first. I am going to share a fact about ostriches. They can't fly but not bird can match their speed on land. They are fast running bird in the world with our long strong legs. They can cover more than 10 feet in a single step. Thank you. Good morning everyone, I am Sukirti of class 2nd. I am going to show a sting species named Dodo. I was a flightless bird that was native to the island of Mauritius in the Indian Ocean. I was a large bird hooked beaks or second body. Hunting and hearted destruction continued to my extent, and some species like red pig and monkeys destroyed. Next acts, it can see that decline in Dodo population. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am Rudwati from class first. I am going to tell you about amazing creature blockfish. A blockfish doesn't have skeleton or muscles. The blockfish doesn't always look like a blockfish. Blockfish are lazy eaters. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am Anjali of class 2nd. I am presenting the amazing flower named Gopi. I found name in Kund Saiba from July to August. I have another name that is King of Himalaya flower. My roots are considered to be poisonous. I am an Indian flower. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Suramisha of class first. I am going to tell you about Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon are large there with long tail. Their tongue is yellow and frog. They have a stone color and or a more vibrant color and pattern. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am Tushar of class 2nd. I want to show you about an amazing flower that is Rafflesia. I am parasitic plant found in Southeast Asia. Asia is the world's flower. My odor is similar to the routine method that use of treatment of several. So this is a very big flower. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am Mayank Yadav of class 2nd. I am representing the amazing tree that is pitcher plant. I am a carnivorous plant known for their unique pitcher shaped leaf. I trap their insect or other small prey to my lip. Thank you. Good morning everyone, I am Adarsh Yadav of class 2nd. I want to tell you about an amazing tree, that is dragon tree. I am a dragon tree. I am an unique and slow growing tree native to the Canary Island. I look like an umbrella think tank and so soft leaves. One amazing thing of me that is when you cut my branches it regenerates. Some people called it dragon blood. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am Ruya, the of class 2nd. I will show you the poisonous flower. As we know, flowers are the beauty of nature. Their fragrance are amazing, but there is a flower which have poison. Its name is oleander. It is a common plant with attractive colorful flower, but all part of plant contain toxic compound. They are a matter of subject paintings by famous artists. Thank you.